Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires even with average jobs, while others earn more but stay broke? Here's the thing. Becoming wealthy isn't usually about earning a huge income. It's about building the right habits. My name is Yassine, and I spend way too much time thinking about personal finance and wealth building. If you're someone who feels like you're working hard but your bank account never seems to grow, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. The first habit is simple. They pay themselves first. Before spending money, they automatically save and invest. Second, they avoid lifestyle inflation. When their income goes up, they don't immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Third, they track their money. Because what gets measured gets improved. Fourth, they think long-term. While most people focus on this month, millionaires focus on the next 10 years. Fifth, they invest consistently. Not perfectly, consistently. Sixth, they automate good financial decisions. Savings and investments happen automatically, removing emotion from the process. Wealth is freedom, not status. It's about having options. Wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about having options. Investing $300 monthly for 30 years can grow into hundreds of thousands through compound growth. Look, millionaires aren't geniuses, they repeat smart habits. Start one today, and your future self will thank you.